Hey everyone, I'm Martin Kolb and I want to tell you about what I've been doing the past several weeks. It all started on March 25th when Mr. Freeman told me about a contest that he wanted me to create a video for. So a friend of mine, Allie Walsh, and we put together a video for this contest about the life skills kids. These are the special needs kids in our school, and they are some of the most awesome kids I have ever met. We entered this video into the contest hoping that we could get the prize of $2,500, and we were put into the round for last week, and still to my amazement, we actually won the round. We have been put into this final round of voting, which begins today and continues into the week, and I simply ask that you would help out by voting for us. I greatly appreciate everyone that voted last week, and I would really appreciate it, and I know the Life Skills kids would too, if you went on to www.univest.net/education and voted for Penn Ridge to get the $2,500. But please, don't do it for me. Do it for those who need it the most.